Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. We are at Guston, Kentucky at the Great Pumpkin Pursuit. And who do we have here? Brandon Fetch. Hey Brandon, how you doing today?
Good, how about you?
All right, what do you got in the back?
Pumpkin and a watermelon.
He's got a pumpkin and a watermelon. All right, looking good, man. A nice orange, pretty pumpkin. And what was the seed? What was the seed that grew that pumpkin?
Yours, the 2043.
My state record. Seed from the state record grows a nice orange, pretty pumpkin. And it has the genetics in there. Now he had a hard summer down here. It was hot and rainy, extreme rainfall, so he fell a little short of his goal. But hey, if you get a pumpkin to the scale, you've been very successful.
Yeah.
That is a success at any size because these aren't easy to grow. But hey, congratulations. Thanks for growing with WorldwideGiantGrowers.com and Mark's Mixes. We want to thank you. I'll thank you very much. All right, man. Good luck to you.
Don't you grow